What if your next favorite skirt is already hanging in your closet, disguised as something completely different? Today, I'm sharing 50+ ideas for upcycling clothes into skirts, and some of these transformations are so creative, stylish, and unexpected that you'll never look at old clothing the same way again. I found all of these inspiring ideas while browsing Pinterest, and they're packed with inspiration for anyone who loves sewing, refashioning, DIY, fashion, and giving everyday clothing a brand new purpose. As you watch, keep track of your favorite idea because I want you to vote for it in the comments and tell me which skirt transformation deserves the top spot. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can save these ideas, revisit them later, and discover even more sewing inspiration. Some of these skirt transformations are beautifully simple, while others are so imaginative that it's hard to believe what the original garment looked like. My personal favorite is number 27. So make sure you stay until you see that one because I think it's one of the most creative transformations in the entire collection. One of the things I love most about turning old clothes into skirts is that it proves almost any garment has the potential to become something completely new with a little imagination and creativity. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning transformation in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, start picking your favorites, and let's dive into these 50+ upcycled skirt ideas to see which creative transformations inspire you the most. There is something special about wearing a piece of clothing that you helped create. It is different from buying something off a rack because it carries a part of your imagination, your time, and your creativity. That is one of the reasons upcycling clothing into skirts can be so rewarding. You are not simply changing fabric into another garment. You are transforming an idea into something real that reflects your own vision. Every stitch, every adjustment, and every creative decision becomes part of the story behind that finished piece. And here's something interesting. Confidence often grows long before the project is finished. It begins the moment you decide to try. The first cut into the fabric, the first new design idea, and the first small change all become reminders that you are capable of creating something unique. That feeling continues to build with every step forward. It is not about making something perfect. It is about watching your own creativity take shape right in front of you. Every completed project becomes proof that you can imagine something different and bring it to life. That is why handmade clothing feels so personal. It reflects your ideas instead of someone else's. It reminds you that creativity is not reserved for experts or professional designers. It belongs to anyone willing to experiment, learn, and keep moving forward. The more projects you complete, the more confidence begins to replace hesitation. Instead of wondering whether you can create something beautiful, you begin asking yourself what you would like to create next. That change in thinking is powerful because confidence grows through action. Every upcycled skirt becomes more than a finished project. It becomes a reminder that your creativity is real, your ideas matter, and your imagination is capable of turning ordinary clothing into something that feels completely your own. Once you experience the confidence that comes from wearing something you created yourself, it changes the way you see your entire wardrobe. Clothes stop being just something to wear and begin feeling like opportunities waiting to be explored. Every garment becomes a chance to imagine, experiment, and create something that no one else owns. That is one of the greatest rewards of upcycling. It encourages you to trust your own ideas instead of waiting for someone else to tell you what is fashionable or possible. Over time, that confidence reaches beyond sewing. It becomes part of the way you approach new challenges because every successful project reminds you that growth happens one step at a time. Not every idea will work exactly as planned, and that is perfectly fine. Sometimes. The projects that require the most adjustments become the ones that teach us the most. Creativity has a wonderful way of rewarding persistence, curiosity, and patience. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to Ms. Angela Sawyer so you don't miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description if you'd like to learn techniques that can help you bring your own creative ideas to life. Keep believing in your imagination, keep creating one project at a time, and keep wearing your creativity with pride. Every piece you transform is another reminder that confidence is built by creating, learning, and expressing who you are. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.